Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube playlist on mobile. A YouTube playlist is a group of videos you collect and organize based on a theme or category. Most times, it contains videos from other YouTubers, but you can also upload your own videos and add them to the collection. You can make a playlist for your favorite tutorials, movie reviews, music videos, or comedy skits. The playlist exists in your YouTube channel, which enables you to upload videos, comment, and perform other actions. Without a channel, you can create a playlist or interact with most features on the platform, even when you have a Google account. Creating a YouTube playlist is possible on the mobile app. Professional content creators can use their YouTube Studio account to create one. However, you can save videos tagged as made for kids to playlists from the YouTube homepage, both on the app or website. The only way to work around this restriction is to search for the video, then add it from the results. To do so, open the YouTube, tap on the library in the lower right corner or your profile. Then, select New Playlist. Tap the check boxes to add videos you've recently watched to your playlist. Then, tap Next. Give your playlist a title and choose a privacy setting. After that, tap Create to finish. To use another method, search for a video from the app's homepage. Then tap the video to play it. Swipe the option below the uploader's name to the left. Then long press the Save button. Then tap New Playlist. Type a name for your new playlist. Then choose a privacy setting. After that, tap Create to finish. Tap Save. YouTube automatically stores the video in your new playlist. To save the video to multiple playlists, long press and save and tap the check boxes. Then tap Done. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.